Mira.
Oh, Coco.
Un arcoíris. A rainbow.
Where does it come from?
I wonder. I wonder. I wonder. Rain and sun, Pip. That's the secret. La lluvia y el sol. Together. The raindrops are still in the air, tiny gotitas, and the sun shines through them, and the light bends. Se dobla, bends.
But Pero, why is it always the same? Rojo on top, azul on the bottom.
Each color bends a different amount. Rojo bends the least, so it stays on top. Azul bends the most.
So rojo, red, stays on top, and azul, blue, sits on the bottom. See? Every time!
Coco stood at the tide pool shore. La lluvia had stopped, el sol came more. Over the sea, a curve in the sky. Un arcoíris, a rainbow up high.
Arcoíris, rainbow.
Where do you come from?
Arcoíris, rainbow.
From la lluvia and el sol. Rojo on top, azul below. Arcoíris, rainbow. Ahora brillas, now you glow.
The sun sends light, it looks like white, pero está escondido, hidden inside. A raindrop opens this secret door, los colores come out.
1, 2, 3, 4. Rojo, naranja, amarillo, so bright. Verde y azul, 5 colors of light. They were there all along in the sun. La lluvia showed them everyone.
Arcoíris, rainbow.
From la lluvia and el sol.
Rojo on top, azul below.
Ahora brillas.
Count the colors with me. Rojo, 1. Naranja, 2. Amarillo, 3. Verde, 4. Azul, 5. ¿Puedes ver 5?
Easy. What if it comes back?
It might. If the rain comes and the sun comes at the same time, it might. Hasta la próxima aventura, friends.
Coco, hay Fresa.